Duplicate the layer. Invert the layer. Change blending mode normal to vivid light. Go to Filter menu, Other and then High Pass. Increase the radius accordingly. Hit OK. Now again go to the Filter menu, go to Blur, and then Gaussian Blur. Increase the radius accordingly. Hit OK. Now create a layer mask. Invert the layer mask. Select the brush tool. Keep the foreground color white. Make sure the layer mask is selected. You can remove blemishes, soften skin just by painting to it. Take your time, make it more appealing. Here we go. Thanks for watching.